Hello everyone, I am Savitri Nagral, lecturer in Electrical and Electronics Department, Jain Polytechnic, Belagavi. I am handling the subject Fundamentals of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. In that, Unit 1, Direct Current, Electricity and Electromagnetism. This video is mainly based on important definitions, contents, definition of electric voltage, EMF and potential difference, definition of electrical power and energy. First we'll study what is meant by voltage. Voltage is the measure of potential difference between any 2 points of an electrical circuit. SI unit is joules per coulomb or volts. It is denoted by capital V. Voltmeter is a device used to measure a voltage. The diagram shows the measuring of voltage. Electromotive force, that is nothing but EMF. Electromotive force is the force which circulates or tends to circulate electric current in an electrical circuit. Sources of EMF. The usual sources of EMF are chemical cells or batteries, electric generators and solar cells, etc. These are the image shows battery and cell, and this is solar. Potential difference. The difference in the potentials of two charged bodies is called potential difference. This is a diagram shows potential difference between V2 and V1 is nothing but V21 is equal to V2 minus V1, which shows difference between two points or a body. Power. Power is the rate of doing work or a changing energy. Power P is given by work done divided by time. The SI unit of power is the watt, denoted by capital V, which is the joules per second. Energy. Energy is defined as the amount of work done. The law of conservation of energy states that the energy can neither be created nor be consumed or destroyed. However, it may be converted or transferred to different forms. Energy is measured in joules or kilowatt hour. In this lecture, we have studied important definitions and its units.